This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use cruise control in your Subaru Forester. This feature helps you maintain a consistent speed on highways, reducing the need to constantly press the accelerator. It's designed to make long drives more comfortable and less tiring. Understanding its operation is key to a relaxed journey. Let's get started with the basics of activating the system. To begin, locate the cruise control button on your steering wheel, usually marked with a speedometer icon. Pressing this button will turn the system on, and you'll see an indicator light appear on your dashboard. Now, simply accelerate your Forester to the speed you wish to maintain. You are almost ready to set your cruising speed. Once you reach your desired speed, press the Set button to lock it in. Your Forester will now maintain this speed automatically. If you need to temporarily slow down, you can use the Resume button to return to your last set speed. For minor adjustments, simply push the Resume/Set switch up or down to increase or decrease your speed. There are several ways to deactivate cruise control. The easiest method is to gently tap the brake pedal, which will immediately disengage the system. You can also press the main cruise control button on the steering wheel again to turn it completely off. Additionally, shifting your Forester into neutral will also deactivate the cruise control function.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.